Kinal said this is an interesting area just near the central market, and you've got all these vans and things parked around. Look at this fine piece of engineering.
So like when you don't want to take public buses,
Yep.
buy ticket and you just come here.
Yep.
And there's a taxi waiting here, and then like put passenger one at a time.
Okay.
Say if you arrive and it's not full, they wait for more people to arrive, or you can pay for the whole bus of the whole cars and go. So you want to go to Siem Reap or Battambang,
Yep.
and then you just travel through this thing instead of the bus.
There you go. And you get to travel in one of these fine automobiles with.
And you can
Rusted
also
bits.
drop off if you want to send stuff. So you want to send boxes to Siem Reap.
Yeah.
So this guy, he just dropped a box of stuff off.
Oh, so you can use it as like a courier as well. What do they cost compared to like a normal? Because we used to take the giant Ibis everywhere because it's the luxury bus.
Similar price,
Yeah.
bus, but you end up being in these things. But also, you have when you get there, you can't just go straight away. You have to wait for other people.
So why would you take one?
It's like a sharing, Uber sharing.
Okay. So why would I take one of those instead of a giant Ibis?
If you decide last minute you want to go somewhere and there's no public bus
Okay.
cross.
Yep. I understand. And is this all of them here too?
Yeah, same.
Oh, it's everywhere. Look, actually, they're all up there too.
Before the public bus exists, he used to be one of the drivers.
Who did? Your dad?
My dad.
There you go. So Kinal's old man was a bus driver man.
Car.
Huh?
A car.
Oh, in a car.
Same
Was that
thing,
in
like a
your
taxi.
that red Camry?
Yeah.
Ah, it's all making sense now. And is it all down here? No, that's all fancy stuff. But yeah, all up here too.
Or other thing is like if you're lucky, you arrive here and you're the last person in the seat, and then you go.
There you go.
Uber sharing?
Uber, Cambodian Uber, Khmer rideshare. There you go. Well, I hope you found that interesting. In his short, quick. Whoa! I've jumped his hat. Short, quick video. There you go.